Lafayette, Louisiana NOAA weather radio for June 12, 2024. The Lafayette, Louisiana NOAA weather radio WXK80, frequency 162.55 MHz will be intermittently on and off the air due to scheduled maintenance from 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time to 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, June 12, 2024. We are sorry for any inconvenience that this may provide. Tropical weather outlook. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, Florida Peninsula and offshore southeast due south. Investigation Area 90. An elongated area of low pressure over the Florida Peninsula is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Although upper-level winds are expected to be only marginally conducive, some slow development is possible while the system moves northeastward offshore of the southeast coast tonight through late week. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall is forecast to continue across portions of the Florida Peninsula during the next few days. For more information, see products issued by the Weather Prediction Center and local National Weather Service forecast offices. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10%. Formation chance through 7 days, low, 20%. Southwestern Gulf of Mexico, a broad area of low pressure could form over the weekend across the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Environmental conditions appear conducive for some slow development early next week while the system moves slowly westward or west-northwestward. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, near 0%. Formation chance through 7 days, low, 20%. And now for your 7-day forecast.